Yeah. Finally, days come. We got a better day. Sentimental times. I can see myself flying over sky. I'm always on top, getting better pace. I'm moving faster than your daily days. I have myself all time, a better time and dream. You could just come up to me, but you can catch me. Had a better life, more than your money making. Had a better sight, on the beach baking. And every time I say, rising up to the sky, I wake up the other day, I see myself down. But now with day to day, I see myself up. I don't care how the motherfuckers who will drive me up. I wake up every time, I just keep on praying. I never wake up every time, I just keep on crying. But this the way I keep on putting more energy. I keep on just trying to keep on just hustling. Money coming every day, money doing everything. I don't care about what you think, money, this is where we going. I'm rolling motherfuckers, never stopping. I got a better tougher, this way we hopping. Yeah, you coming to my country, you see the making. And now everybody just dropping all the lines and rapping. I'm on top, I'm the best, who's coming being me? Nobody, cause everybody is like shadowing. I'm always better than whatever you keep on thinking. Your nightmare is the worst history, I'm better real. I got a life, I got a twitch. Even though I'm living on the good little beat, I hit the beaches, I have the bills, I pay for them 2 for 7. They don't even just care. I kiss the asses, they kiss my dick. I never, and this way we always just make a history out. And this the time we always have the proclamation. We don't care, and we always do. And every time money just coming for us, and we keep on just playing. Thank you for the solos, and we even just having no nappy for the bolos. And I will just tell you how to just do for the models. I have the times, I keep on pushing and pushing. Nobody's stopping, I got a better bad beat. And you won't test me, you wanna test the keys. I'm no chemical, I'm no issue, just do what we should. I'm on top, nobody keep on just asking questions. Maybe the only question I ask is who's God? And I got a little message that I'm getting across. I'm getting a pulse, this way we have a 2-for-7 first. God created everything like we never ate it. We hate ourselves for the things that we keep on complaining. We had the talks, the words stuck inside. Listen to your man and even pray for yourself this time. I see the hustling, I see the crying, I see the motoring. We have the voice from the inside that came in home. I keep on telling myself I'm pushing to the top of groceries. I never just want to stop cause I keep on moving like cars. And now I'm never just killing the holes. And every time I say Hosanna, you the king of God. I have a better history, your life as a short boy. And I'm going so high, even now I'm lost a tall point. I have the talent, I have the time. I'm not just greedy, your father is so just greedy. We have the time, we have the things. We not chasing tails, we hang dogs as real. We have the rhymes, we have the music. Day by day youth to keep on spending money and things. Bitches keep on calling, we keep on hustling. They come up to us cause we hustling. And every time I always wanna try and think it. Maybe sometimes the things I never just keep on just spending. I look at my face in the mirror, I say, break it up the keys. My daddy, my mommy, my life, the ones I live in just so solid. Always have it all culture here, and this is where we all do it. Thank you.